morning. Welcome to Shreya's BFF. Another day, another beautiful morning. So, how do you like to start your day? I can't do without a cup of good coffee. Today, I'm going to share with you my skincare routine, and that too for disturbed skin. Well, I have to do a lot of collabs, and I always insist that I test out the product 1 week before the filming. Why? Because I don't want to ruin the reputation of my channel by promoting something bad. Sometimes the products are good, sometimes the products are bad. I reject the products which are not good. So for that, I have to take care of my skin when this product makes my skin sensitive and bad. So how do I do it? Today I'm going to share that routine when I take care of my skin when the skin becomes extremely sensitive and some acne come out and they leave bad acne marks. So how do I do it? Let's quickly jump into it and find out. By the way, I'm normal to dry skin. So that is my skin type, and this is for a temporary acne and temporary attack of bad skin breakouts. I haven't been born with acne, or I haven't been born with bad skin. I've always had very good and resilient skin. So this is for someone's skin type which had a bad skin attack due to using of bad products. So remember that. So this video is for those people. So without any further ado, let's see if I can help you out with my regime. I spritz my face with this Kama Ayurveda pure rose water, and this is completely refreshing as a mist, and I cannot do with it before applying the vitamin E and the vitamin C cream. And after applying the vitamin C, which I do every alternate day because it's very potent, I apply this YPP Plant Remedy Calendula Healing Salve. And this is amazing because this is a salve which has this Jari Puttiwala potency, which is very calming for all the blemishes, cuts and everything, like active acne scars, everything that on my skin, and it amazingly repairs it and calms it down and removes them within 24 hours or 48 hours. And this has been my go-to calming and go-to remedy for whenever I am having anything, and this makes your skin smooth and everything, and it's like a little moisturizing also. So oily to combination skins, you may be a little reticent about it, but I love it because I'm normal to dry skin. I used to be very dry, but right now I'm in good with my skincare because I'm an internet PhD in skincare. So right now it's helping me amazingly. So I just take a little bit on my fingers and then rub it in, and after that I apply it all over my face. Apply and lightly massage it. That is all. So I would like you, if you are oily to combination, you can stop right here and go to the next step, that is sunscreen. But I would like to go with another step, that is the Clinical ID for irritated skin, the green cap, and that will be my last step. So not exactly last, and this is a little for the moisturization, and I like that it's not that good, but it's like a little bit of moisturization and calms the skin. But I wouldn't recommend this too much, but I don't think it does the job. That when it comes to under eyes, there's always a protective something you should apply twice a day. So I apply the Clinical Moisture Surge Eye 96R Hydro Filler, which is amazing for sunken under eyes, for dark circles, creases under your eyes, and this is good, really good. And it is really hydrating, and you can feel the hydrating, the calming of your under eyes when you massage it lightly all over your under eyes. But it's a little costly. Some of the products I'm showing you are little costly, but see, the thing is this, ki when you are really like, I think thoda bacha ke khareed lo when you are talking about something like your skincare, because 500 ke niche if you're doing your skincare, it's actually you don't know what is going in making the products. If you really want something to work on your skin, then you have to buy stuff which will work on your skin. If like you really want to work on your skin, then rather buy something where genuine stuff is put in the making of the products which work on your skin. Otherwise, too cheap stuffs, they cannot put products in such a low value to work on your skin. So why waste your money? Rather go for DIY or kitchen stuff which may do some amount of work. So don't just throw your money. That is actually what I believe. So rather either you buy a little bit of expensive stuff, or you don't buy at all, only go for DIY in the kitchen. So after that, I will go with the moisturization of my lips. That is Laneige, obviously, and it's a little costly, but it actually stays for 1 year, because you just need a little bit of it, and that's the last step. And then when I stay at home, I use the YB Sun Salve, because it has got it's a mineral sunscreen. That is, the rays when they come, they just get deflected and go out. So I always prefer a mineral sunscreen. So BFFians, that was all for my current morning skincare. Always remember, skincare is something subjective. That is, if something is working for me, not necessarily it will work for you. So if you feel that any of the products are not working for you, then it is not for you. You may consult a dermatologist before you use any of the products that I am using, if you think that you are not very sure of any of them. And that is all. And always remember that I am not a dermatologist. These things are all working for me because I am an internet PhD, and it completely worked for me, and I'm very happy for myself. And that is all. And do subscribe to my channel, give a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my Instagram channel, where you may be missing very interesting regular reels on dances, makeup and everything. What exactly is it? You have to subscribe and visit my Instagram for that. So that is all. Give a big thumbs up, subscribe and visit me next 7 days for something more interesting. And that is all. See you. Bye. And always remember, if you want to start your day peacefully, as Jai Shetty says, always don't start with social media for 1 hour after you wake up. Be away from social media. Have a blessed day. Good morning.